Welcome to the Workshop Insider channel, and today you'll get acquainted with amazing construction tools and ingenious working inventions. With such a simple tool, you can easily lay down the tiles just by breaking it correctly. With the help of an ordinary, useless card, you can easily make an excellent assistant in painting. And here's a wonderful and very simple tool that you can easily make yourself. This brush will help you to clean up even in the most hard-to-get places. And here's a great tool that will help you to securely fasten plastic tubes. The right order that will make your work better. Here's a great way to make a very useful tool. If you thought it was a roller for painting, then congratulations, you were not mistaken. An easy way to fasten aluminum wire. The right way of strapping, which will help you to hang the boards securely. Surely you didn't know that it's much more convenient to start hammering a nail this way. It often happens that in order to screw in a light bulb, you have to reach for a cartridge. However, this tool, which you can easily make at home, will save you from this problem for good. And here's a very simple but useful cutter that will always help you to work with plastic bottles easily. A simple fork can turn into a great tool that will help twist the wire. And here's a simple way to make a handle on a magnet. You can easily upgrade the stand for yourself. And here's a simple and very useful way to clean up old screws and bolts. Just repeat after me. And while you're trying to repeat after me, don't forget to press like. Write us some comments. What did you like? What was useful? And we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!